Another page you will be frequently visiting is the university library page. This is useful if you want to access a lot of it. So the library is available in two campuses, both in Flemingsberg as well as in Solna. If your classes are mostly in Solna, you will most probably end up using the Solna library. In the menu, you can find that you can loan your books. There are study facilities which are booking a group rooms, login with the student ID, and then actually book. So here you can find Flemingsberg and then Solna, and then you can find there through the maps, and you can ask the information desk and you can reach the room. You can access your my bookings here where you can cancel it or rebook. There are silent reading rooms in Flemingsberg, and there are computer rooms in Flemingsberg as well as in Solna. So you can also book resource rooms, and you can go through all the other options here. So this is a good place where you can find all the information about the library. If you want to search for a specific journal, let's say I want to search a specific journal on epidemiology, it will give me all the journals and all the versions I can see. So you can sign in here and then access the information, and it will even tell you how long you can loan a book, so and where it is available. Get the academic writing support, literature and database searching. Most of the time, all these will be used when you're writing your master thesis. There are two things which I say will be the most commonly used items along with your group room in a library, which one is your account, where you can manage your loans to keep ahead about what is happening with your books and how long you can loan it. See all these information, loans, requests, fines, fees, and personal details and stuff like that. Next is manage your printing account at KI. So if you go to log in to printing account at KI, you use your username and password and you log in. Here it's a very quick guide on how to use it. So in Solna, these printers are in the front, the ground floor. When you walk in, you will be able to find them around the information desk area. And in Flemingsberg, inside, it is clearly visible in the middle of the building. So I wouldn't say that it's very difficult to locate these printing areas. This is the page where you can access it. So I'll be adding all these links to help you easily access all the information. If you press menu, you will find all this information. Here's a blog, news, courses and workshops and all those areas, how to contact KIB, publish and analyze academic writing related information. Here you will find a new student section where it will give you an idea about what you need to do. So first things first, you need to activate your student account, which as I said, once your student account is activated, you get access to almost everything. This is one of the important things, getting your KI card. The KI card works like an access card to almost all the places, and then again to the library card and for printing purposes as well. So here you can find that Wasim, one of the students, this video is in Swedish, but he is kind enough to add this English subtitles. It's a really good videos, and I myself was able to see it, and when I was stuck in middle, I was able to use it. How the routine card works, basically you need to go get yourself photographed. Inside there is one booth to get all this information done. So there are actually two booths. One is in Flemingsberg as well as one is in Solna. One of the important things is if you're taking picture in Flemingsberg, then you can only pick up the card in Flemingsberg. So if you're clicking a picture in Solna, you can only get it printed out in Solna. This is a self-service thing. So you need to go yourself, set up the machine and do it. Don't worry, the self-service thing is very easy. All you need to go is put your username again. You should have your student account activated. It will ask you to set up the camera height, set it up nicely. Don't stoop and take a picture which is going to stay with you for 2 years. You don't need that. See if the picture is good. If it's not, take it again, take your time, and then go and get it done. Always carry a valid ID before collecting they need the ID to verify. So you need to bring something like your passport. There's everything on the website. We'll be putting all the links there. Even if you face any problems, there's still information desks will be set up during this period so that you can always go and ask for help. All the very best. Here are the list of videos coming up next in the series. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.